What's up, guys? It's Gabe from SNP Speed Innovations, and today we're going to do a little bit of a tech video. We're going to bring to you today is how to calibrate your throttle position sensor. It's actually very simple. It's going to be a very quick video, and it's just very step by step. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to power up our ECU. Once our ECU is powered up and we have established communication, you can see we have a connection here. Our communication connection is green. So that means that we are connected and we are live. You can see all this information here in front of you. So first places you want to go is your navigation tree. And your navigation tree is here on the left. As the left side of the screen tells you exactly where you are and all your functions. So you go to engine functions, hit the arrow for the drop down, throttle, the arrow drop down, calibration. Next step is real simple. You can see what your actual voltage here is. Now, what we have in front of us today is a Haltech Elite 550, and our Haltech Elite 550 is plugged into a power supply on a bench. So there's no harness plugged into it at all. There's no sensors, so you can't really see much of what's going on. So we're not going to move the throttle around. We're just going to walk you step by step and show you how to do the simple part of the calibration to the Haltech. So it's real simple. So first off, we can look over here. We see our throttle position is 0%. And you see there's a table here. You can do this live or manually. You can do this manually by adding the voltage number in here. You leave your 0% and your 100% at those lower two tables or cells right where they are. Don't touch those. But we can take this voltage here, take this number 0.19 volts, and we can type that right in here, 0.19, if we wanted to. That's simple. All right, we'll go back and reset that. And then what you would do is go wide open throttle 100%, and whatever your voltage number is here, you would type that into this. So it's very basic, very simple. Anybody can do that. There's an easier way to do that though. And the easiest way to do that is this section right up here. And this section up here is kind of a step-by-step auto TPS set. So if you go to start, you see everything is reset, right? So if you go to start, you can see that there's a step 1, step 2, and a finish. Let's go to start. Okay. And it's going to say 0%. Now, when it says 0% there, that means you don't touch the throttle. 0% throttle, you don't have your foot on the throttle, nothing. And then you go to calibrate. Then it goes to step 2. And step 2 is when you would go 100% throttle. And 100% throttle would be all the way to the floor. Now, you can do this at the throttle body under the engine bay. And it's not too difficult to do that. But I normally do it right at the pedal inside the vehicle because if your carpet's a little thick and you can't really go 100%, you go 98. You never see 100 here. You only see 97, 98, and it doesn't really mean anything. But if you ever want to see 100, do it inside as you're stepping on the throttle itself. So we'll go to calibrate, and it says you're finished. You're good. What we see here is the voltage being 0.20 at 0% throttle and 0.21 at 100% throttle. Disregard that because we don't have a throttle positioning set up. What you'll end up seeing is something like a 3.78. That's normally what we do for like the Toyota Tacoma 2RZ, 3RZ, some of the 5EZs. It's kind of the same thing. And your minimum voltage is usually somewhere right in the neighborhood of 0.75 for the 0. But the important thing is to understand how you can calibrate your throttle position sensor. It's actually very simple, very easy, step by step. Once you're done, you always want to make sure you save your file. You can go to save as and do it that way and select the file name and you're good to go. This one is a test ECU. We're using test bench of Haltech Elite 550 is what we're using. So it's good to go. So that's it. Very basic, very simple. how to calibrate your throttle position sensor. It's painless. So don't forget to do all that stalker stuff. Like, subscribe, follow us, all the stuff. If the notifications kind of irritate you a little bit, you don't have to click that bell on there. But like, follow, subscribe. If there's more tech videos you want to see like this and how to now navigate and how to do simple stuff like that on the Haltech computer, please drop a comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see. If you have any other questions, reach out to us. Until then, stay good and stay tuned. Thanks, guys.